everyone, Sam from 4K Shoot. Welcome to my channel. I'm doing some photos and video for this beautiful property. So I'm gonna be using DJI Avata and the remote control and the goggles. So I just bought it. I have my Mavic Pro 2 and so I'm gonna be using this for interior shots since I heard so many good things about it. So I just want to give it a try and see how it performs. So I hope you like the video. Once again, thanks for joining, and check out my website at 4kshoot.com. I hope you enjoy it.